Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Huwebes, September 26, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 30. And 3 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 2. 2. And 9 in exact order. Sa 6D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 4, 3, 0, 4, 6, and 1 in exact order. With the first prize of 1,821,418 pesos and 92 centavos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 6D Lotto with their corresponding prices. Sa Lotto 642, ang winning numbers ay 34, 11, 32, 41, 13, and 39 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 8,807,065 pesos and 60 centavos. Sa Super Lotto 649, ang winning numbers ay 20, 30, 6, 46, 25, and 39 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 15,840,000 pesos. At bukas ng gabi sa Mega Lotto 645 na may estimated jackpot of 70 million. Sa Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of 195 million. Lotto draws ngayong Biyernes, Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 at ang Ultra Lotto 658. Panoorin natin ang live broadcast every 2 p.m., 5 p.m. at 9 p.m. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.